Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are fixing a very common issue, the Facebook Marketplace not showing on an app. So let's just jump straight into it. Open up your Facebook application for that. And once you open up Facebook, look out for the menu option in the top right corner and select it. And once you select it, within the menu, scroll and see if the Marketplace appears on your screen. If it does not appear, you can look out for the See More option and tap on it, and you should be finding it because sometimes Marketplace is hidden inside the extended menu. Also update your Facebook application, so you can close this up and go to the Play Store application for that. And within here, go ahead and search for Facebook. And once you find Facebook, just go over and look out for the update option. If there is any kind of update, and update your Facebook to the latest version. Old app versions often hide the Marketplace. Also clear the cache for Facebook. So go over and hold the Facebook application and go to the Info tab. And within there, you may just go over and scroll down and look out for the storage section and tap on it. After that, look out for the clear cache and tap on it. That should refresh the Marketplace section. And apart from that, if you are on Facebook Marketplace, the thing is, Marketplace is available only to is above 18. So if you're here, you can just go over and edit your profile and edit your personal details to make sure that your birthday shows you're 18 or older. And sometimes the Marketplace is not even supported in your region. So within your menu, look out for the settings. And from your settings, go over and look out for the language and region section and tap on it. And then you can set the region to a country that supports the Marketplace option. And once it is done, you can restart the Facebook application once again and try accessing it. And that is it, everybody. You can follow up these method and your Marketplace should be back. So if you want more fixes, you can hit the subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.